What up, y'all? How y'all doing, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy CountryBoyModz, aka JD. Man, look, I ain't been putting the camera towards me. I've been a little shy or whatever, but I'm gonna start giving y'all a little bit more FaceTime so y'all won't be thinking that you're talking to just the other end of the camera. So this is me. This is my face and everything. So y'all always see me like to the side or whatever, but right now here's the face. I just want y'all to know that I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching my channel, doing everything, subscribing, commenting. I enjoy all of that, man. Like I take jokes, everything, you know. So pretty much I'm gonna be adding a couple things to the Altima, transferring some things over to the Sentra. Well, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get to it. All right, y'all see how dirty this car is now? It's been working. Car's super dirty inside. Got to do the back there. It's just got a lot to do. All right, y'all. So pretty much what I got done. Got all this done in here. It's a little couple spots I still got to get over there. But got all this cleaned up inside. The interior is looking good right now. Didn't shine anything inside. I just pretty much wiped down. So I took the floor mats out of here. Like I said, there's some spots. I got to get a carpet clean for that. I'm not even finna worry about that right now. My son weighs some chocolate back here, so like I said, I'm just gonna wipe it with the towel and do the carpet clean later. In that other spot, like up here, just wipe with the towel and try to get it out with the rest of the vacuum. But I took the floor mats out of here and I cleaned the inside of the Sentra out. And I put the floor mats here in the Sentra. And they actually look pretty good in here. So what I'm gonna do, only thing I'm gonna do is just get a little Sentra sticker, cover that up with that. Boom, it'll say Sentra SR. And now she got some brand new floor mats in her car, pretty much. So got that. And while I'm out here with the Sentra, I am going to go ahead and change these out to the LEDs real quick. So 1, 2, boom. All right, got them done. Like I said, these the LEDs I bought off of Amazon. I bought for the Altima. They do fit in the Sentra also. E-Bright LEDs. And this is them. Of course, and again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for y'all. All right, so pretty much the only thing left to do is put the mats. Yeah, put the mats back in the Lasfit mats back in the Altima. And then we're gonna finish up here, y'all, and move on to the next project. Got some goodies for the Altima. All right, y'all, so some of the goodies I got from Amazon. Like I said, these couple things. I got these to match up with the interior. I got the whole kit from off of Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So what I'm gonna do also is just transfer these over to the Sentra here. All these little cubby things, and transfer all these over to the Sentra. Put them in the spots where I can at least put them in. And yeah, I got those. And y'all remember I said that I was gonna get something for them scratches that I made on the car. So I actually got something. I'm gonna try this out. I bought this off of Amazon. It's supposed to match up with the car pretty good. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm gonna try that out probably tomorrow, whatever, and that'll be a whole different video for this one because I don't want this video being too long about this stuff. But I'm gonna try this out, and this is gonna be a separate video because this gotta actually sit for at least a day or so, you know, before I wash the car. So I'm gonna clean the area where I'm at, but we'll get to that on another video. So I'm gonna put that back right now. Are these. Now before you knock it, let me pull one out the bag. It's carbon fiber style orange. Coming across, and they go on side the steering wheel like this. So yes, I decided to go ahead and go with the orange in the car. See, this is the material. Links will be in the description for these. Everything was pretty much cheap, so cheap price and good price. I also had a gift card to go with it, so I only end up spending on all of this about $25. I had a $25 gift card, so total everything right here rounded up to about 40 on Amazon. So they're pretty much, these go on the side, they clip on. You place it where you want it to be placed at and go from there. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start putting this stuff on, see where I wanted it placed, because it is about to rain. See if it fits good. And like I said, you can easily take these back off. And you see me pushing it hard, pulling hard. It ain't going nowhere. The grip is good. I actually like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on. I'm gonna start actually putting these on. So give me a second. Let me open this up. Hold on. All right, got that even out the best way I can. Actually, man, I actually like it. So the reason why I decided to keep the orange, because I was like, there's no way for me to change those lights under, like that's glow illuminated at night, that's orange and stuff like that. And it's like, I have orange stitching, which I could change the color of the stitching, but like I said, the lights under, like in the in all of this, all of your features right here, it'll still be orange. So it's like, you know, that's Nissan's signature color, orange. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and just stay with the orange, and like, actually it's looking pretty good. I like the way it is looking. So next I gotta buy the paddle shift things, and then I'm gonna get the carbon fiber piece here. Not sure if I'm gonna do carbon. Well, I might do carbon fiber. If I can find a carbon fiber that actually matches up with this carbon fiber that's already in the car, instead of being so glossy, then I'd rather get that. I did find a piece on Amazon for this area. That way I won't have to wrap it or anything like that. I just stick it on. Same for this piece. I could just stick it on. But like I said, overall, this looks real good on it. And so we're going to talk about these pieces right here. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I counted it right. 14 piece. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14 piece kit. So here are the original ones that was in the center right here, and they even got the ones that actually go in your glove compartment and stuff like that. So once you open it up, it'll go in there, and then at the bottom down here also. So I'm gonna get all this out real quick. And like these right here, this piece right here actually goes in the side cup holder part. So let's go ahead and install these real quick. The company that made these, this is not a sponsorship or anything. I actually just got this off of Amazon, ovo.com. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. Uvo, whoever. It's a good product. It's a good product. So this the back of them. That's the front, stuff like that. So front right here, be that piece. Yep, these look like it goes right here. Would be this one. So we just slap that right in there. Favorite spot, I call it the sauce holder area, because you know when you're on the road driving and you got some barbecue sauce or whatever, you can slide it, put your little Chick-fil-A sauce right there. You know, you can hold it right there and stuff like that. That's what I do every time. There we go. Yeah. Probably got a lot of stuff in my car. Next. On that piece gonna go there. Sorry about that, folks. Out here, boom. Passenger side, boom. There we go. Next thing I gotta do now is get the Lasfit mats and put them back in here. And also, if you want some Lasfit lights or anything, Lasfit product, mats, anything, I got the link up there in the description. I put it in the comments also. I'm gonna put the link to everything in the comment, link in the description, and if y'all want it, man, feel free to go ahead and get you some, because like I said, the Lasfit Max is gonna do his thing down there.
Your mama milk some, milk some, milk something. Moose-side moose, 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 moose-side moose. This is a Country Boy Modz production. 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 If your titty's bigger than your mama's, milk some, milk some, milk something. If your titty's bigger than your mama's, milk some, milk some, milk something. Moose-side moose, 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 moose-side moose. If your titty's bigger than your mama's, milk some, milk some, milk something. Moose-side moose, moose-side moose, moose-side moose, moose-side moose.
All right, y'all, after a good day's sweat, I'm about to call it a wrap. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.
If your titty's bigger than your mama's, milk some, milk some, milk something.